If anybody fights our system, we will fight the person back. Let me tell you what you don't understand in politics. The moment you claim to be working with us, and tomorrow you shift our enemy, we will take every might we have. We will even leave our enemy and finish you first. We will leave our enemy and finish you first. So all of you who are going back to Abuja to hold meeting with our enemies in this state, I'm going to finish you to the last. You can't come here, get from the state, be a contractor, get money, then you move to Abuja to hold meeting against us, and you say I will leave you free. I will not leave you free. I will not. I'm not a born again to this level. Yes, I'm a Christian, but I'm not a born again to this level. If you touch me or touch any of my person, you will see the firework.
I see the burn, you gonna swing off. I see the swing, you gonna burn.
So, I need that one saying this now, so nobody should come and meet you and say, go and talk to me. Better talk to them now.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.